Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to connect MySQL with Ono. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, we have to create the db.ts file. So here we have the MySQL connection, host, user, password, database, wait for the connection limit and the queue limit. Okay, so this is the connection string. Okay, so connection parameters we have, right? In the env we have to pass our credentials. Okay, and after that db.ts file is done. Then we have a main file, that is index.ts file. Okay, so .env serve ono db, right? And here for getting the users, wait, db.query select start from users. So this is the query, and the db have we have already added, right? The code is already there, and all the details are correct, then it give me that the username and the password is correct one. Okay, and then start the server. If I go and just check over there, just run, and let's see the connection is done or not, because I think the connection is done because there is no error. And which package we have to install, that is mysql 2 and the .env, right? So we have to install this one, and if I go and just run this one, here we have the users list. So here we have the John Doe, and the database is like the user. So here we have the select user John Doe and this. So here you can see that we have successfully fetched the records and the database is connected successfully. So this is the way that you are able to connect to the MySQL with Ono. Very easy, very simple, nothing hard and fast. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.